As you can see on the SN798 schematic, our modular workflow allows for concurrent build phases, significantly
just a hair lower on the gamma axis.
Reading stable.
Set it. Keep it steady, 50 millimeters to go.
Roger that. Holding position. Aguanta, aguanta. Justo ahí. Dale con la pistola.
The radial tolerance on the KL45 is within spec.
Noted. Serial number logged and tag applied. Ready for transfer.
Watch the alignment on bay 4. A little lower. Okay, set it down.
Serial number confirmed against the manifest.
And the final calibration checks out. We are cleared for transfer.
We are level here. All right, secure the position.
right, easy now. Bring it down another 2 inches. Watch the rail clearance on C deck.
Looks good from here, steady as she goes.
Reading is 0.005. Checks with the chart. Alignment is good here.
Lowering sequence initiated, maintain current speed.
Roger that. Clearance is tight on the east side.
Noted.
Adjusting trajectory slightly left.
Lower it slowly, watch the flange. Almost there, easy now.
Slow descent, watch the pads. It's aligned, seated on the pads.
Green across the board, confirmed placement.
Easy now. A little lower on your side.
Got it, looks aligned.
Maintain current vector. We are clear for final approach.
Confirmed. Speed holding at 0.5 meters per second.
Torque set.
Verified. Proceed to the next brace.
Watch your hands on that bend. Got it. Brackets are secure. Power levels are nominal.
Alignment confirmed. Secure the conduit.
Securing main conduit now. Power coupling engaged.
Sequence initiated.
Check the tertiary coupling on sector Gamma 12. The schematic shows a revised connection.
Confirmed.
That's connected. Check schematic 4B.
Confirmed. Torque is stable at 4 to 5.
Make sure the alignment is precise.
It is. The schematic confirms the pressure setting.
Looks level here. Check the schematic for the terminal layout.
Verified. We can energize the auxiliary circuit.
Module is seated. Acknowledge locking sequence.
Sequence complete. Pressure stable.
Check the alignment on this panel.
Looks good. Applying final torque now.
Pass me the pry bar, I'll adjust the seal tray.
Asegúrate que esté recto.
Dame el siguiente, por favor. Cuidado con la curva.
Maintain current speed. We are clear of the outer ring.
Roger that. All systems showing nominal parameters.
I've got a fluctuation here on grid 4.
Confirmed. The sheet is showing trace elements. Get a reading.
Looks good. Solid as expected.
Verification passed.
Launch control to all crews. Confirm cradle alignment. We are proceeding with the final approach to the dock.
I name this submarine, May God bless her and all who sail in her.
Lock release engaged. Indicators green.
Confirmed. Proceed with launch sequence.
Launch sequence engaged.
All personnel, clear, clear, clear.
Line 3 is secure. Roger that. All ahead, stop.
Lined up, go ahead and twist. It's locked. Moving to the next section.
Vibration readings are stable on pre-start.
Confirmed. Running sequence 9 diagnostics now. All parameters nominal.
Adjusting frequency to 4 kilohertz.
Signal is stabilizing. Readout is clear. Calibration complete.
The signature peaks here at maximum velocity.
And the energy consumption at that variance?
Our unit diagnostics are showing green. See the fluctuation near the coupling?
Minor variance within acceptable.
Power conduit showing green across the board.
Yeah.
Check auxiliary systems.
Auxiliaries are nominal, Captain. All systems within tolerance.
We are gathered here today to officially commission this great vessel, built with the finest materials